अबे उठ उठ। What's up guys, today we are going to try some crazy light painting, fire photography. So let's see what we get. So guys, I was thinking to do steel wool photography, then I thought nah, everyone is doing that, so we should do something different. So after 2 days of thinking and brainstorming, I got the idea of burning paper and throwing it in the air, and also standing Zev in middle of that. So we tried it and we literally f***ed ourselves. You can see what happened in the first take 1 and take 2.
तो अभी हम लोग कर रहे हैं अंगार का चमत्कार, अंगार चमत्कार कुछ तो कर रहे हैं। मैं पोज दे रहा हूँ अभी, ठीक है, डिस्टर्ब नहीं करना है कोई।
अबे उठ उठ। अभी तो बोला मैंने
चमत्कार देखो, चमत्कार अभी, ठीक है, चमत्कार देखो।
अरे माँ उठ उठ। बस गया। And after getting that lesson from those moments, those memorable moments, we thought that we should try something different for taking this photo. So we made use of Photoshop a little bit. What I did is I shot Seth in the first photo separately and shot the light trails in another photo separately, and then we merged those photos in Photoshop, and then we got that shot you can see right here.
So guys, first I'm taking portrait of Sev by using a longer exposure. Now if you don't know what I'm doing with flash, you can check out my video in the cards after you finish this video. So guys, now I'm burning paper pieces to get those light trails. Make sure you find something on which you can put those paper pieces and burn them, because throwing through hand can be dangerous and you can burn your hand.
So hope you guys like the videos. Don't forget to subscribe. चैनल में कुछ है,
Please subscribe.
Don't subscribe man, you know nothing. कुछ नहीं करता है भाई, कुछ आता ही नहीं है, आग जाता था नहीं आया करता था वीडियो के अंदर।